Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Please hit that subscribe button, and in this video I'm going to be doing a little twist halo. Needed to do something with my head. It was that time to wash, deep condition, make sure my strands is looking and feeling amazing on these winter days. Can't stand it. But this is what my hair looks like before I even put any type of product in it, before I even, blow dry my hair. Gucci man soprano, my plug on me calo. I took my swallow, I trip with some cargo. European auto, Instagram model. Drinking out the bottle, her shit like a swallow. Gucci man the motto, snakes out on my collar. Brand new when I been gold, they know what they yo. Yellow bone check on no, my brother call me Tato. These kicks ain't one day old, one rock then they retro. After blow drying my hair and having a little slight concert in my room, I then started to part my hair into two different sections. I did like a little slight curve, and then I parted straight down in the middle, and I did everything in my power to make it as straight as I can, okay? And then the products that I use are the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey line, and also my oil mix. These products mixed together have been doing wonders on my hair this whole entire winter. Like, you guys don't even know how cold it is here in Indy. It's ridiculous. I don't understand why it's so cold, but Mielle Organics, at least the pomegranate and honey line, has been keeping my hair moisturized for days, not just a couple of hours, but for some days. And I've had these twists in my hair for about a good week, and my hair still feels moisturized. And I have just been aware that I've had this leave-in conditioner just chilling on my forehead basically the whole entire time I was filming and editing this, I'm like, wow, my forehead is mighty shiny, but then I'm like, wait a minute, it is that leave-in conditioner. Ladies, gents, and all natural hair people, if you have grown up with the blue magic, you know exactly what I'm dealing with. Okay, this stuff right here really helps the scalp and the ends, people. You got a dry scalp in the winter months just like me? Go on and use the black magic. Your ends be getting dry in the winter months, or they just be dry in general? Go on and use the blue magic. Because blue magic is magical, okay? I put it on my roots to hit my scalp, and I put it on my ends just because. And like I said, I did not have to re-moisturize my hair yet. It's been a whole week, and I have not touched my head, and my hair feels soft and everything. And when you use a brush to the edges, it will slick them edges back. You will have no type of problems. The curling custard, we all know what this does. I used it plenty of times. I did a slight review on it, and it actually made my twist look very shiny and thicker than normal. I start to twist my hair up, and I just start twisting in the direction that I parted. It was kind of hard because I do always do my twist closer to my edges. I have no idea why. I'm still working on it. But yeah, this was like something that I needed to put together quick because I just needed to wash my hair and do something to it to keep it from getting so dry. So my twist is popping. I will admit, I had a popping twist. And this is what my twist looked like, y'all. It actually looked
pretty nice. You know, shiny and popping. You always want your hair to be shiny. It's the best look. This is what both of them look like. I did them both. They both is shiny, moisturized, feeling good. Now I gotta lay my edges down. Don't you forget about them edges, ladies and gents. Mainly ladies. Don't you forget about them edges. They make the hairstyle. Remember. Always remember, your edges will make the style. And yes, I do be having little concerts when I do my hair because I gotta listen to some music sometimes. You gotta be happy when you do your hair. You can't be mad or sad or anything like that. And these are what the two twists look like before I pin them up. And I got a little bit of hang time. I'm very impressed as to how much my hair has grown in less than a year, and I will be making a video on that. Next, I take my silk satin scarf. Remember, ladies and gents, in all natural hair beauties, you always need to protect your head when you're going to sleep. Every single time. Don't forget. Always remember. The next day, I'm getting ready for work. Take my satin scarf off and look at that bow. Shiny, thick, neat hair, neat protective style. Keep that in for about a week or two and you are Gucci. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit me up on all the social media sites that you see right down below. Comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Y'all, do this please. Stay blessed, beautiful, and golden. And I'll see you in my next one. Deuces.